Well, a Zippo truck passed by once again and dropped off a package for me last night. Let's see what he dropped off. Okay, nothing remarkable about the box. It's the plain black box. And it says Trevco Howl at the Moon. It says MO, but it means moon. So here is the Zippo he dropped off. And you can see it looks to me like a werewolf sitting down beneath the moon, giving it a good howl. It's on a plain black matte finish. It's on a steel case. And this one was made in F of 13. I believe that's June. F of 13, Bradford, made in the USA. Got a pretty good sound. It's got a steel insert. Fires up nice. That is the Howling Wolf, or the Howling at the Moon Zippo. I think I can find a place for it right over here for now. With a couple of other wolfy moon Zippos. And I would say, yeah, it deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.